What's up, guys? Crypto Wolf here. How you guys doing? In this particular video, we're doing a regular BTC technical analysis. And if you look at this, you would notice yesterday we talked about price getting to around 119 to 120k, and today it's actually showing signs of exhaustion. You could notice that price is not really able to go further to around that range, because that range is actually a valid range, a psychological resistance with a lot of people willing to exit at that point. A lot of people, their um exit price for BTC is around 120k, 190. For some, it's 119k, because they are following the nine pattern of BTC's price movement. The first all-time high was 19.7, followed by 69k. A lot of people are looking at 119k for this particular run. So, and if you look at this, you would notice that on the weekly everything, sorry, on the daily everything seems to be fine. The EMAs are fine. There is volume rise on the bullish side using the major volume divergence, but on the 4 hours you're beginning to see cracks on it. You would notice that it seems you would notice that this is just this range, volume in a range within this particular price area, which is often a sign that the people buying don't feel comfortable buying at this price anymore. So there is likely going to be a sharp crash soon, and the reason and the target is around 112k, a retest of this level, because when BTC broke above the 112k, it liquidated about $1 billion in short positions, and a lot of people went long and at this particular price range, and now it's going to attempt to also liquidate them too by um crashing very sharply. Even if it will recover, it will crash sharply just to liquidate those who went long at around this area. So this is just really what you need to know. If you're already long, if you've already taken a BTC's long position and you're in profit, you should protect that with stop loss. But that's just basically it. There is a possibility we could crash sharply to around 112k, just as support area, and then we could push up further. But that's just the current update, because the major volume, this indicator is already showing us that volume is stalling, it's not moving higher. Seems as if the bulls are no longer comfortable buying out this price anymore. So if you also look at the MACD indicator, you would notice that the histogram is just about to turn negative. So that's also an additional confirmation that the bull seems to be tired, and then there is likely a drop to 112k just to retest this historic resistance turn support. So this is Crypto Wolf. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.